Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here doing some exploring on the CT125. This is kind of a, I don't know what this is. It's a little camping area or what? Kind of just roads going everywhere around in here. Probably all it is. They don't show a road on the map. Oh, that's some soft sand right there. Nice camping area anyway. Trying to see if there's a trail going off of it, but I really don't see one. It's all sandy stuff under these trees. This is real soft. See somebody's campfire ring there. They had a big old log burning there. So it looks like this road goes out across the prairie. Let's see where it goes. It's kind of flat as can be out here. Definitely don't want to hit that. Kind of rough. What in the world is that? I have no idea, but I'm guaranteeing you I can't go through it. That's a gate. I mean, one heck of a gate. Never been down this road. Fancy is what that is. Holy cow. Look at that gate. Keypad to put in the code to get in that thing. What it says over here. Wildlife Conservation and Protection Area, no hunting, no trespassing. There's some kind of building out there. Well, that's definitely a gate. I guess we'll get on out of here. Now we're coming up on the border wall. or if you want to call it a wall. Anyway, it's the Mexico, Arizona southern border. Right there. It is. Hadn't been this way to the border before. On this road. Not much of a border, huh? Railroad tracks. Welded together. You're definitely gonna stop a car. That's that honey preserve, or not honey preserve, but nature preserve. Fenced in right there. I come around to that gate on the other side. I'm just on the back side of it now. Whoa, what a hill. Holy cow. Big old hill. Out of gear, you get to flying down this thing. You ain't in a hurry. Don't see no animals in there. I'm sure there is. Let her go. That's a pretty good climb right here. No problemo. There's some Mexican cows. Right there. Quite a crossing there. It's a whole piece of tracks over there for something thrown out there. Bunch of sycamores. This is as dry as a creek bed gets. This would take this border wall and head back toward home. This way. There's another gate on the back side. Got a tank and a windmill out there. We get a run at this hill. Third gear. Second gear. Oh, like horsepower. Look at that road across there. It's a long ways back over the mountains. Gonna get off here, guys, in this video. Thank you all for watching. There will be lots more adventures coming. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Catch y'all on the next adventure. Right on. I'll keep the video going. Don't see anybody sneaking across there anywhere. Slow down. This is a pretty steep hill right here. Goodness. Hang on. Better shift down here. A lot. It's deep. I'm gonna have to shift down there on 300.